Hey, hi, this is Outdoor Vintner. So, my objective here is I'm new to YouTube actually, so it's middle of March, and yeah, so I like the outdoors, and my objective is to this summer or this spring is to get out into the woods and do some camping and have some fires and catch some fish and some lake trouts and brook trout. Me and my buddy, I'm not gonna say his name, but yeah, we're gonna do some camping and we're gonna catch some fish and yeah, I'm gonna upload it to the channel and hopefully I'm going to have some people that are going to like it and hopefully get some positive feedback. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of outdoor channels and there's a lot of people that I've been following and they've been a big inspiration to me, like Lost Lake, like Jim Bird and Ted Bird and Northern a few guys out on the East Coast or the West Coast. Yeah, there's a lot of them actually, but there's a few of them that I'm really into, like Lost Lake and Jim and Ted Bird. They're really good. Those are one of my favorite ones, actually. But yeah, I'm situated in northern Ontario, and there's a lot of good fishing and stuff. I want to get into canoeing and try that out, get onto the lakes, into canoeing. I've been in the outdoors my whole life, and I'm pretty good in the woods with survival. Yeah, so basically, I'm just waiting for the weather to get better, and I'm going to hit the woods. So, yeah, hopefully stay tuned, and I'm going to post some videos in between. I don't know really what to do or how to post or all that jazz, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not really good at this whole camera thing. But yeah, for real, life is tough, you know. And I know the struggles are real for everybody. And society is messed up. And I would rather be out in the woods than be in society. That's for sure. So that's why I thought I would try to make a YouTube channel and actually try to document it, and hopefully help people out. If I could help one person out, that'd be great, because I know what these people did to me, that inspired me. Yeah, I know. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, so yeah, so you guys all have a good night, and I'll post something shortly. Love you guys, and talk to you guys later.